This is our universal BTA QR Bluetooth dongle. This allows you to convert your radio into a Bluetooth radio by simply connecting the dongle to one of our quick release adapters. Snap it in, pair it to your microphone, and you're ready to go. I'll show you how it works. Okay, I'm going to show you how to pair the BTA QR Bluetooth adapter to a Nighthawk Bluetooth microphone. First, what you need to do is plug in the dongle into a charger. It comes with a USB cable, and this is a charging port on the side. What this does is actually charge the adapter, also turns the adapter on. What you're going to do is press and hold the PTT button until the light starts to flash blue and red. So we're going to put into pairing mode. There we go. Now on the microphone, we're going to press the bottom and do the same thing until the mic is flashing blue and red. After it's flashing blue and red, we're actually going to press the push to talk button one time to change the pattern. So it's just a quick short press, and that's going to change the pattern of the microphone. There you go. And what it's going to do, it's going to allow the adapter to pair. They're both solid blue. That's all it took. Now these guys are paired. So here's a great thing with this new Bluetooth adapter we call BTA QR. You could plug this Bluetooth dongle into any quick release connection that we offer. Once you unplug it, it turns off the dongle. Press and hold until the first LED comes on, then you release. Now both units are going to sync to each other. So you're syncing the microphone and the adapter. So now you could connect to any radio that has our adapter with the quick release connection. So after you've gone through the pairing process of pairing the microphone to the dongle, all you do is press the button on the dongle, wait until the LED light comes on to establish a link between the dongle and the microphone. Once this is done, that's it. You could press on the microphone and you could hear right from the other radio the transmission. It's very clear. Now I could switch between any kind of radio, and that's the great thing about having the quick release adapter and a quick release dongle. So here we go. I'm going to take it off from the XTS radio and now put it onto the APX radio, snap it back in, and now I'm going to transmit, and now you're hearing that quickly how things work. It's very simple. I could connect it to a Harris, to a Kenwood, to any radio that we supply with a quick release adapter. So having the flexibility and the universal connection to make any radio universal with Bluetooth makes it that easy. We could connect it to the Nighthawk or the Interceptor Bluetooth microphone. So here's some other great features. In addition to using the push-to-talk right on the microphone, you could use the PTT right on the dongle and transmit through there. So another thing, the dongle will give you about, let's say, 9 or 10 hour talk time. But what if you exceed the battery life and the battery dies? So you could connect one of our travel chargers, which is 2400 milliamps. The battery on the dongle is 200 milliamps. So you could recharge the dongle about 10 times. But here's what's great. So you take the cable, you plug it into the dongle. It's a micro USB connection here. Now once you connect that piece in there, you're going to see a red light on the dongle, means that it's charging. Now to re-establish a link to the microphone, you're going to press on the button here, and once that light changes, it's going to re-establish the link to the mic. So what that means is now I could push a talk, and you could hear the transmission through the radio just like that. So I could charge and talk at the same time. No downtime with this unit. It's very simple to put this travel charger in your pocket or into your vest. In about around an hour, hour and a half, you're going to have a full charge with the dongle. So what you're going to do is disconnect the charging unit from the dongle. When you do so, again, the dongle will power off by itself. All you have to do is press the button again, until the LED comes on, and you're going to reestablish a link again to the microphone. And now it's going to give you another 9 or 10 hours, and you're back in operation again for another shift just like that. So again, no downtime with the travel charger plugged into the dongle. So what I'm going to do is just snap this guy in here, and we take this part of the connection on the back and just wrap it around the antenna to hold it in place. This will last in sleep mode probably about 10-hour talk time. It takes around 3.5 hours to get a full charge. And that's it with the BTA adapter.